What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you guys, and this is a video on a tripod stand. It's on a tripod stand. It looks like this. You put everything on it and like this. So you can use it as a little selfie stick or whatever. Comes with a little button here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I had to open it just so you guys can know how it comes. Now when it comes, you do have to put this together. It's not that hard. I did it without my instructions because you know black people don't read instructions, and so we just don't. So I did it myself, and it was actually fairly easy. It was not hard at all. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is a tripod stand. You can use it as a little selfie stick, and then it also has instructions here on how to unfold it, so you won't be stuck on trying to unfold it, right? So what I do is I pull it up, and the bottom kind of like pops open. The bottom kind of like clicks. It like, if y'all can hear that, y'all heard that snap? It kind of snaps open. So you unsnap it open, push it down. Now this little latch, this little silver part is going to be screwed down. I had it unscrewed because I didn't know what I was doing, but it's screwed down. It's a nice tripod stand. I would recommend this for like up and coming YouTubers. It can be short as well. Doesn't have to be a long tripod stand or whatever. I recommend this for any new or any new upcoming YouTubers. Any YouTubers that's on the go that just need something like a tripod stand and they want to just stand it up and get some videos or footage like of their car driving, and they're, you know, doing stuff like a vlog type thing. This will be great because you can just pop this out real quick, set it out. You can throw this in your suitcase, your carry-on. It's easy, very easy. Now I did get a light for this. Can't use your phone, but I did get a light to clamp on top of my phone. So when my phone is on here, I do have a light on here as well. But like I said, this is the little feature where you can take it off here. Let's say you want to, you know, take your little picture of your own. You can do that as well, far distance. So you can kind of take your own photos with this as well as your own videos. So y'all gonna run to get this. Y'all gonna run and get this ASAP. This is essential to starting a YouTube, and it also will be in my how to start a YouTube channel, or the things you need. How to start a YouTube channel and the things you need to start a YouTube channel. It will be in those videos as well. So y'all like, comment, subscribe. This link will be down below in the description box. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. You might win this. You never know. You never know. I'm giving stuff away. I'm giving it away. I'm giving it away.